So changing country and address in H&M app is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to change your country and address on H&M app. For that we will go to our H&M application, and in this application what you have to do is you have to tap on these three lines. It will take you to the menu bar. You have to scroll down until you see app setting, tap on that option, and here under regional settings you will be able to see regions. You just have to go to the region, and here you have to select the region in which country or in which region you live. After selecting the region, suppose I wanna tap on that option, I'm just gonna tap on that and click on OK. It will just change my region. After changing the region, what you have to do is you have to go back and you have to tap on these three lines again, and you have to scroll down again. You have to tap on app settings again, and this time you have to tap on this profile. It will take you to your account settings, but I have not signed in to my account yet. But if you guys have signed in, you will be able to see an option for changing the address right here. So that's how you do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.